Dear students, today we'll study about the external features of petromyzin. Here you can see the diagram of petromyzin. The adult lamprey looks like the eel and its body is somewhat elongated and is made up of three regions: the head, the trunk and the tail. But these three regions, head, trunk and tail, their boundary is not clearly marked. The head and trunk are cylindrical in structure, whereas the tail is somewhat laterally compressed. Here you can see. The body color of lamprey is somewhat greenish brown in color, of which upper body surface is usually dark, whereas the lower surface is light in color. The sea lamprey, that is the Petromyzin marinus, attains a length of about 1 meter, whereas the freshwater lamprey reaches 90 centimeter in length, and the lamprey found in the streams, that is Petromyzin planary, it does not exceed 45 centimeter. In Petromyzin, the paired appendages are absent, but two unequal median dorsal fins are present near the posterior end of the body. Here you can see this is the first dorsal fin and this is the second dorsal fin. And around the tail there is a caudal fin whose upper lobe is continuous with the second dorsal fin. Here you can see in the diagram the second dorsal fin is continuous with the upper lobe of caudal fin. These fins are supported by thin cartilaginous rods, that is the fin rays, and in some lampreys, like for example Lampetra planary, the female also possesses an anal fin, but in males it is replaced with a copulatory papilla. The anterior end of the body of Petromyzin bears a ventrally directed large cup-like depression, that is the buccal funnel, or also known as sucker. Here you can see in the diagram, here in the anterior end there is present a cup-like depression, that is buccal funnel. This is the buccal funnel in the ventral view. This buccal funnel is surrounded by the marginal membranes, which bears various soft small projections, that is the oral fimbriae or papilla, which helps in the attachment to the fish, to other fishes. And inside this buccal funnel, there are numerous radiating rows of conical yellow horny epidermal teeth. Here you can see these are numerous horny teeth. The teeth present in the upper and lower side of the mouth fuse together and form large tooth plates called supraoral and infraoral tooth plates respectively. The teeth in the upper side fuse together, here you can see in the diagram, and forms the supraoral tooth plates, whereas these teeth in the lower side fuses to form infraoral tooth plates. These teeth are not homologous with the true vertebrate teeth. The mouth is surrounded by concentric rows of lateral teeth, each having two cups, therefore known as bicuspid. Here you can see these are the bicuspid teeth, the lateral teeth, and these they bear two cups, therefore they are known as bicuspid. Lateral side of the head there is a large prominent eye present which lacks the eyelid. Here you can see the eye. Now we will talk about the apertures present in the body of Petromyzin. The first one is the mouth, which is a narrow aperture that lie at the apex of or at the top of the buccal funnel. And between the eyes and on the head is a single small mid-dorsal nostril whose presence is basically contradictory. It is also known as nasohypophyseal aperture. 7 small rounded openings of external gill slits forms a longitudinal row on each lateral side of the head just behind the eye. Here you can see 7 pairs of external gill slits. And on the ventral side, at the junction of trunk and tail, is a slit-like depression known as cloaca. Here you can see in the diagram a urogenital papilla bearing on its tip a minute urogenital aperture. And finally, numerous small sensory pores of the lateral line system extend along each lateral side of the body and below the head. Here you can see in the diagram, these are the lateral sensory pores present in the body of Petromyzon. So this was all about the external features of Petromyzon. Thank you.